Hi, I'm Lex, and this is Riot, and welcome to our off-grid life, living in a 6x12 cargo trailer. In today's video, we're going to go through 6 simple upgrades that are going to make our life even easier and more pleasant, and I'm going to make you guys some potato pancakes. Well, really, I'm going to make myself potato pancakes, but I'm going to show you how I do it. All of the upgrade products we're going to be using today are from an exclusive retailer, Walamate. I believe it's a French retailer. Our first upgrade of the day are going to be these Camco precision levels. They're calibrated by NASA scientists. The liquid inside is made from the tears of baby seals. It's very rare, very exclusive. Luxury Camco Levelers. I guess this is the serious part. This video, if you can't tell already, is going to be a mixture of my sarcasm and then actual stuff. This is the driver's side, so when I pop out of the truck to see if the cargo trailer is level, I'll be able to quickly know just by coming right here. I probably could have done that with the back one and put it up front, but I have the generator platform, so I decided that might not be my best bet. When my cargo trailer was on a level surface, I used the leveler to ensure that this wheel cover was actually going to be level. So I know that by placing this luxury Camco leveler on there, even though it's not going to show level right now, when I am on a level surface, it will show level. Our next upgrade to make our lives just a skosh better is this luxury paper towel holder rendered from only the finest petroleum extracts. Now, because this trailer has an aluminum interior, it means I must use self-tapping screws. Well, the self-tapping screws do not want to go in. I think it's because they're a little short, so I'm going to have to pre-drill. As is the theme with all the things that I have built out in this trailer, we're going to have to redo the paper towel holder again. Feel free to leave in the comments how many of you were trying to yell through the screen that I was putting it too close to here, so that when I have a full roll of paper towel, I'm not going to be able to put it onto the holder. Now let's see if I can't put a full roll of paper towel very good. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Our next even better quality of life upgrade is going to be this chromed out toilet paper holder. This fine living accessory is going to go by our luxury compost toilet. Our compost toilet that makes a nature's head look like a hole in the ground. If you would like to learn how to make your own luxury compost toilet, I will link an article below that not only takes you through how to make your own compost toilet, but also goes through some points which give shitting in a bucket some extra dignity. Why isn't the little fucking thing working? Just a little word of caution. This luxury chromed out toilet paper holder has 4 screw holes, but it only came with 2 screws. So thankfully I did not use the screws for the paper towel holder, as they look to be about the same, and I'll be able to supplement with those. Alright, so we have our toilet paper holder installed, and I put it this way because all different toilet papers seem to have different sizes, so this won't matter, but it will make it more livable instead of having it up here all the time, which gets in the way. And next we have our 10 karat gold brass plated door lock. I already have 2 locks on this trailer door, and I feel like they're sufficient. I sometimes don't even really lock the door. However, I have a hang up about numbers, and I like things in 3s. And so with only having 2 locks, it like gets into my psyche that I should have 3 because 3 is a better number. Also, given that I lived in Chicago the last 12 or 13 years, I'm really used to having a chain door lock, and it kind of weirds me out not having one. Stink. Did you fart? You stink. Now, I completely understand that this chain lock is not going to protect me that much more than the 2 RV locks did. It does give that little bit of extra time to have you grab an accessory that might help change someone's mind from trying to do you harm. You know what I mean? Hey, what you want? Living in 72 square feet is a lot easier than I even thought it would be, but one of the ways that I can make things seem bigger is by not having so much on the floor. And command hooks are one of the best things that I have found to easily hang clothes and jackets and other items. So I got 2 more command hooks because the 2 that I have are getting a little bit overwhelmed maybe. Alright. So this ought to be perfect for my jackets. It's great to make use of these lesser used areas. The final upgrade I thought I would share with you guys is one that I made underneath the bed. Something that happens frequently to people with a platform bed, like myself, is particularly in winter as things accumulate moisture, mold will accrue underneath your mattress. So I drilled holes in the platform of my bed to enhance airflow, but I also invested in a non-skid rug pad, and that has worked awesome. So it's been a couple months. We've been through some really cold weather yet, below freezing temperatures, and I've had the Mr. Buddy on. I've had things that accumulate moisture. I've boiled water in here, and we have had no mold. So a non-skid rug pad works really well. Oh, this is awkward. Works really well on the underside of your mattress. We have had no mold. I have seen no accumulation of any issue. The little bit of mold that had started has cleared up using vinegar and tea tree oil, and then putting holes in the platform of the bed platform and using that non-skid rug pad means that I have no more issue and no more concern about that being moldy, which is disgusting. Now, obviously, the work you've seen here today shows that I am nothing short of a master craftsman. I hope you guys enjoyed our 6 simple upgrades to make our cargo trailer life even more luxurious. As a thank you for watching this far into today's video, I thought I would share with you my potato pancake recipe, which is awesome comfort food and a really easy recipe for somewhat lazy vegetarians that are camping. And I'm just washing the potatoes. Sometimes I'll chop up an onion or maybe a little bit of spinach or something. Today I'm going to just add in a little bit of this super blend, which has Brussels sprouts, Napa cabbage, kohlrabi, I don't even know what that is, broccoli, carrots, and kale. And I'm just going to add a little bit Naturally, we could be mixing this in a large mixing bowl, but I don't have one, so this is the best that I do with it. While it's cooking on that side, I re-season for the top side. And while I eat the first one, I'm gonna make the second one. Now it's real crisp on the outside, but it's nice and potatoey on the inside. And you can add cheese to the top of it for those that like that. And I kind of run it like an assembly line, so while I eat the first one, the second one cooks, and you know, I'll probably get about 4 out of the 3 potatoes. And it's just a easy, good meal. I'm definitely one of those people that eats to live and doesn't live to eat, but I appreciate good food. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.